Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by preparing the essentials so the setup proceeds smoothly. Plug in the Google Home and keep it within a few meters of your router. That improves initial pairing. Open the Google Home app and sign in with the Google account you want to use. Once done, tap Add Setup Device and select New Device. This tells the app to search for nearby units. Make sure Bluetooth is on and notifications allowed so the app can detect the speaker quickly. Now you'll complete the critical pairing and configuration steps. When the app finds the speaker, confirm the 4-digit code you hear to ensure you're connecting to the correct device. Then choose the Wi-Fi network and enter the password. The device plays a confirmation sound once it joins. Next, assign the unit to a room so routines work correctly, and link accounts like Spotify or Nest. This lets you stream audio and control smart devices. Make sure to set up voice match if multiple users share this Google account. Finish by stepping through the short app tutorial and testing basic commands such as, "Hey Google, what's the weather?" to confirm responses. Adjust default speaker, volume limits, and linked music services to your preference. If the device requests a firmware update, install it now to ensure stability and security. If something goes wrong, restart the home and your router, move the device closer, and rerun setup. This clears transient network issues and forces a fresh discovery attempt. That single restart resolves most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.